I've left, I do right by you. I'll be your everything, your blue sky. I go to war, I'll fight. Damn right. Even when I've left, I do right by you. I'll be your everything, your blue sky.
Hey guys, Nas here, and we are at the hotel now, and I'm about to give you a room tour. Alright, so this video is based on the room tour, so I'm gonna give you the room tour right now, guys. Okay, so I just hope you really enjoy it. Alrighty, so this is my key, guys. So I'm about to put this in here. Hold on. That's right, so it goes like this. Green. Good. Ready. So I'm in, guys. Alright. This section is basically, you know, as you just come in. So here you have your safety. You can put your safety things in there. Alright, so you can get your code. I think we already got the code, so we could put whatever things in there. You know, we have to just put in our code and it's good. Alright, so here is a little bar area. Here we have 2 glasses. These are the water goblets. These are what we put the full water in. The water dispensers are outside, so when we're going to the water dispensers, this is what we will bring with us so we can follow. When I say outside, not outside of the hotel, inside the hotel, but they're out of the room. All right, down here we have our little fridge. In here we have 2 beers and some juice, a Sprite and 2 Cokes. Right, as we said, the water is where we will get our water in that. So in here we have our bath gowns. So in this basically we have our bath gowns, and yeah, on this side now is the bathroom. So here we have our tub. I love this. This is like, we have your warm water. I have warm water, so I normally enjoy this a lot. Fill this up, put in your soap in there, and you're good. We have some towels over there. These are shampoo, condition, all right, and shower gel. All right, we have 2 bath rocks right here. All right, our sanitizer is right there. These are the sink, so it's a 2 sink there. I love this, so me and Rick can be here the same time. All right, we have some hand soap here and some lotion. There we have 2 glass again. That's me. Hey guys. Yes guys, so this is my favorite part of the hotel. So there we have glass right there. We have blow dryer, so we could dry here. We have our 2 towels separately right here. Now on this side, all right, this side we have our bowl. We have 2 tissue right here. This is cell phone, and here is the shower. All right, pretty clean, guys. Pretty clean. Here we have some more shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner. Awesome. And I really enjoy in here a lot as well. Alright, so that's with the bathroom, and it has some amazing light for you to do your makeup and stuff like that. Alright, let's go out. Oh, behind this door we have a glass. So that's me again. So that's a lovely, I love to use this glass as well. Alright, so open this door. In here we have our iron board, stuff like that. Alright, in here, these are where the luggage is supposed to go. We don't put ours on there as yet. We have the fan. We also have AC. So this is the bed, guys. This is nice, cozy. Alright, so here we have our TV. And we have everything there. Just my handbag and everything is there. Up here, just the light. Is the bin right there. Alright, this part. Alright, the cell phone is also over there. And here is where we control the AC and the fans. Alright. So that's that. Alright, right here it says watch your step. So there's a step down here. So that's why they have this light here that in the night you can always remember that there's a step down because the light is there. So we have to step down here. In this little area now, guys, we have a little table. So if you're here for business, you can use here, you know, with your computer, use it as your desk. And we have a little sitting area as well. You can put anything you want to put there. And yeah, that's so we're looking at the balcony, my next favorite part of the hotel. So here's the glass again. Hi guys. So here's the glass again. So I'm about to go to the balcony now, guys. Rick is already there. So we're always supposed to keep this door closed because of the AC. So just closing back the door. Alright guys, so out here now is basically you can spread your clothes right here for it to dry. And there's also a sitting area. Also a sitting area there. Rick is right there, guys. Say hello, Rick. Alright, so let's see the view from our balcony, guys. Wow. So this is the view, guys, from our balcony. It's very beautiful. Sky is so pretty, guys. Look at that. It's really fun. Trust me. Persons are in the lazy river. Persons are in the pool right there. Then we have a big pool over there with the infinity bars. So we call it the infinity pool with the bar. So this is our view, guys, from where we are staying. So this is like the balcony view. Is that beautiful, guys? This is how tall we are because you can see the coconut trees are way down there. So this is how tall we are right now. The hotel is really big, guys. It's 3 parts. Over behind this part we have the grand, which is much more expensive, but it's more quiet. It's like adult only. Here you can bring your kids, and behind us, behind this part now, we'll have the beach over there. And both 3 properties are belongs to the same IBEROSTAR, and both 3 properties are all inclusive. So that is the good part about it. All right, so yes, guys. Yes, guys, so I hope y'all enjoy that room tour. Yes, guys, so we're here. It's Rick's birthday. We're just gonna relax because we've been working so hard, you know. We're just gonna relax, take a break, have fun while we do that. And you know, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy this room tour for IBEROSTAR Suites 2020. All right, much love, guys. Remember to, if you're new to the channel, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. All right,
and yes, guys, remember, guys, to put God first in everything that you do.
Yes,
and always keep a smile
on your face.
Yeah,
bye, guys. See y'all next time. Yes, guys, so remember to like,
share, and subscribe
to the
our
channel,
guys. And thank you for watching, and we have more content coming, guys. Okay,
guys, much love to everyone. Thank you all for your for your continuous support. Love you guys.